Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you guys something very interesting in this Cadillac Escalade 2017. Let me show you something under the hood. Okay. I'm gonna show you the Cadillac Escalades. When you wanna refill your AC, you have this little gauge here. So this is supposed to fit under the low side, which it will look like that. This is the high side right here. So the low side is located down there, right there. So it's a little bit hard to get in there, but the only problem is it doesn't fit. This thing right here don't fit. Like a stock, it doesn't fit in there. So you need an adapter like this. Let me open it for you guys. So in this package, it has the high side and the low side. It's very straightforward. It comes in two pieces like this, and you put them together. I already put the one that I need together. It will look like this. So you basically tie this to this one, and that's it. Now you take the cap off, and this part gonna go to the regular connection. So if you can see, it fits perfectly. Now this bottom part is big enough to go under the low side right there. Now to get to the low side, you stick your hand in there. It's right there. Take the cap off, and then you grab the new connection there, and you slide it. You lift and push down at the same time into it's not in place. So with that adapter, it should fit perfectly in there. That's all you need. I don't know why Cadillac changed it. I don't get it. And then you get the can. You go ahead and connect your can. After that, you go ahead and turn your car on to the max, and then turn your AC all the way up to the max, like that. And once you have that on, you go ahead and open your can and press it. Read the instructions for the can, press, and the instructions say you gotta keep it 12 o'clock and at 3 o'clock. And you also gotta do this based on the temperature outside. This is the page, or depending on the temperature outside is how you got supposed to do it. It's very important to have a gauge, because you can see every time you press, you see the needle moves. It tell you how much pressure it got in it. After that, you turn it off, and you go ahead and disconnect it from the bottom there. And then you take the other, you can take both of them at the same time, or you can just take one at a time. Then you go ahead and put the plug back, and that's it. That's all is to it. Thanks for watching.